It's almost 7 o'clock. Me and Mike Natoli are partners again. First event of the KWT of the season 2021. We're on Falcon Lake. We're looking for walleye. We don't need slots in this one. They got to be 18 and above. So let's go. 30 inchers all day long. Your 5 best. Catch, photo, video, release. Okay, 7:29. They are going to message us back our serial number. Once we get that, we can start fishing. We got our number, FLD 106. Got it. Yeah, we'll see what it is. Come on, be a walleye. It's heavy. Ah. Well, that's the warm-up. That's the warm-up fish. Small pike. Oh, little pike here. Show me a walleye. Oh, that's a pike again. It'd be nice if this was a walleye, but it doesn't feel like it. Whoa, walleye, bro. Whoa. Nice one, too. That's a keeper. Oh my God. What was I saying? Lunker grub to the rescue.
Mouth is closed.
Mouth is closed. It's bumped up against. Okay, so we got that 20.25. Just gonna go into the water. Under its own accord, they said. Don't take it on measure. Walleye. Oh, it might be it. Oh, that's an 18 though. I've had lots of heartbreakers here, man. They look like that. So, come on, score it. Yes, it scores. Recording it right now, okay? I'm just gonna let it go. Fantastic. The eyes are swimming. Just gotta get big ones. Walleye, brother. I think. Is that a walleye? Yeah, brother. You don't mess around. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Never know what it's gonna be. 7.5 probably. Back in the water. Shake it off, shake it off. You're feeling it, eh? If this is a walleye, bro, it's big. Magic walleye. Oh. Yeah, it got really light all of a sudden. It got light all of a sudden. I must have dragged it out of weeds. There's one. Oh, pike here. Well, that's the name of the game out here. Pike City. Wow, let's try this again. So you're saying there's a chance. I'm gonna have to step back a bit. Come on, be a walleye. I think it's a walleye. Come on. Gotta think positive. Gotta think positive. That's what I'm talking about, brother. Yes. Let's keep going. Oh, I keep saying it like we're gonna.
Such a deadly motherfucker.
Halfway back, we're gonna get one. feed them all. I gotta have more drag because that thing was pulling and no drag was coming out. Yeah. Oh! Michael! That was a walleye. That was a walleye. What is going on here? I gotta put my Smeltinators back on. These are cheap hooks that Santos gets from the States.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah, because I was.
Everything Santos gets is gonna be.
Because there were so many pike, eh? Like, I'm gonna have to switch to the Smeltinators, man. Got it. Changing hooks. That was a walleye again. That was. What the? I gotta change hooks. I gotta change hooks. And I set that one hard. Oh, I hit it again. Yeah, let's see if it's a walleye. Come on. Get up, baby. Feel good.
Big ass.
Oh, jeez. Ah, see, you just never know. I got it up. It's out. You just never know. There's lots of these mixed in. Felt good. That's a solid bite.
Okay, video's rolling.
Okay, 18 inches. Back in the water you go. So, you got it.
Stop my toe.
There you go. Alright. Come on, baby. Be an upgrade. Come on, baby. There we go. That's got to hit 20 now. Alright, 19 and a half. Back to back. Put this guy back in. Let's go for 3 in a row. Come on. I'll see. That one I think might be a bass. Bass. Okay, it's a bass. Figured it was a bass. Yeah, I got it. Got a bass. Just like I said, I get at least one. Fish? That's a fish, bro. That's a fish, bro. Come on. No bass. No bass. Whoa, whoa. Get over here. Get over here, buddy. 21. Yes! Dead stick. I wasn't sure if you saw it. I go, take it, Roscoe.
I just turned and looked.
Release it. Be an upgrade. She's a nice one. She's a nice one. Pike! Swash! Ay, ay, ay. There's one. That's not a walleye, probably. Oh, maybe. It's probably a bass. Oh, it's my first keeper.
Right there.
Have we got a limit yet? Can't be. Nah. That's got to be a limit now. I just dumped.
I think that's the limit.
I dumped 3 in there already. I better count it. No, it's not. It's a walleye. I don't think it's an upgrade though. It's a red zone. 2 in a row.
What are you throwing now?
Swimbait. Red zone for sure, but I don't think it's
What do you need?
9. Oh, 20, at least 20. This is not. Nice fish. Going back. 2 in a row. Let's get the 3rd bite in a row. I had a bigger one. A while ago, yeah. When we first got here, it was on. Maybe it's still there. school in there. That red zone. Is that an upgrade? That might be an upgrade, bro. How many throws in a row there?
3.
3 in a row. Upgrade. Oh yeah, look, we just upgraded. 20.75. Look at that walleye. That walleye got attacked. Come on. Swimming in a school, I guess. We just got there, had 3 bites in a row, then nothing. Switched lures, nothing. Oh, that's go through this gauntlet. Come on, baby. Show me. Big black. Oh no! It was a wall. I saw. Look, I saw it straight in the eyes. Yeah, 22, 23, something like that. Be a walleye. It's a walleye. It's a walleye. Oh no. It's a walleye. No, it's okay. Yeah. Yes. That's an upgrade again. It's long. There you go. That'll round up to 22, I would say. Or whatever you guys say, but nice work, Michael. There you go. Another one. Trying to see if I should catch one here or not. Yeah. Well, net, just in case. Be a walleye. Be a walleye. Be an upgrade. Be a walleye. And I was trying to go on and not bring it in, right? Okay. Oh! I thought that was a walleye, Mike. That's a nice pike, but I really thought that was 27 inches. My heart was going there, man. Oh, jeez. I don't know how long it is, though. I don't think it's long. It's a keeper. Oh, that's a red zone. Oh, she's a rock star. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. I don't know if you can see it. It's sunny on me. Big one. Yes! 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 Okay, upgrade city!
That's how we bought it.
Mike's all cut up from this fish, 22.5. All right. Last fishing now. We get that at Lake of the Woods. Walleyes under trees. Fish. No, that's not a fish. It's a stick. Please pump your head.
Hey, can you imagine?
Pump your head once. It won't. That'd be a monster fish. It's not pumping, bro. 350. We're gonna make a move. One more move. Made it. With time for a few casts and a photo. Gotta catch one right by the boat. And boat flip it. Boat flip it. And 4. Not bad, not bad.
Had a good day. Fuck.
That was good, man. We're in contention, brother. 7:22, day 2 of the KWT.
It's raining.
It's raining. We got the rain suits on today. We are in 4th place, as you saw. Weather's different now. It's a little different. Wind's a different direction, so we're in the same area, but fishing a different spot. I mean, because well, we'll see. We're gonna make it up as we go. Let's go, Michael. Stooners are in the lead. We're about 4 pounds behind. I think you're gonna need 50 and change to win, like total. We're at 24.5 pounds, whatever it is. So we need a bigger bag than yesterday. The good old Swimbait and the Smeltinator did a lot of the damage yesterday. We got some on the jig and leech, Google Eye and a leech. They work so well, they're trying to ban leeches on us. Why? Why ban the leeches? There you go, look at that whole pile. We got this from Walleye Mafia. Okay, so we got our number, FLD 208. Go ahead, Mike, you can start.
Eric, there's a fish there.
Oh, never mind. Here we go, here I go, here I go.
Look that way.
Mike's seeing fish
35
already.
feet, there's 3 of them.
And he's
35
pointing.
feet that way.
Watch this. Fish on. First fish of the day. Hopefully it's a walleye. Nah, green. Stupid. I knew that would be pike up on top, but maybe there's walleye too. So we're fishing on top of a point here. That's shallow. You can see it on the map. We're just gonna cover this whole point. There's another fish right there. Ah, that's a pike. That's another one. It's gone. It's a pike. Those are the fish Mike was marking on his line there. It's a start, and it's a walleye. I don't think it's over.
In the box.
That goes in the box. Okay, it's a walleye. Mike is on. Small. Feel it. Yeah, small. In the other tournaments, they gotta be under 45 centimeters. And Mike's killing them this weekend on those. This is a walleye. That's a keeper. That's the first keeper of the day. Oh, yeah. It'll be close, but I think it is. It'll be close. Let's see. Measure first.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, easily. Okay, we're gonna. Might as well get this party started. That was right in front of the boat, on the edge. That was on the edge. Right on the edge. Okay, let's do this with this. First fish of the day. Here we go. Let's get the first cut of the day out of the way. Oh. Push this. There we go. 20.25. Okay. Oh yeah, video. Okay. There you go. There you go. 20.25. First fish of the day. There you go. That's one. Small. Really small. No, it's small. It's a pike, I think. Small walleye. Too small. There's walleye. Here comes the rain again. 4 walleyes in the boat so far, 1 keeper. Or 1 scoreable fish. Fish. This could score. This could score. Come on, baby. That's gonna score. Nice work, brother.
It was rolling.
Okay, 18.75. Come into the water.
Don't throw my rod in the water.
Don't throw your rod in the water. And gone. He's swimming to the right? Is that what it means? Is he going to the right?
Right on top.
Holy jeez. I'm gonna go back to the swim bait in a second. That's a walleye. That's a walleye. He'll hit this. He'll hit this swim bait for sure. This one never came out yesterday at all. That's a keeper. He's in. Okay,
There we go, bro.
back to back. Let's go. We'll take some pictures. 21 and a half. There we go. Nice. Gone. Win the tournament right here. Got it. Oh, be a walleye. He's fighting like crazy. Be a walleye. Keeper. Yeah. Panoptix. And you said he was swimming fast and he hit it like a... He was swimming fast. I believe that's keeper number 4. That should be a red zone. That was a Panoptix fish.
Okay.
Oh, 18 3/4. Here we go. There's the release. That's fish number 4.
I don't want to do a Carlo thing.
Don't call me. Let's go. 3 small ones, 4 scorers so far. That's not too bad for the first spot. Morning bite. Rain is done now, I think. Blue sky's coming. What do you think? The sunlight will turn them on? Drive. Oh, there's one. That's a walleye. That's a walleye. Okay. It's not a giant, but it's gonna score. Come on, baby, be a long one. Be a walleye first. That's a walleye. Yes, it's a score. We got 5 fish. We got 5 fish. Now we're upgrading. 20.25. Fish number 5. We've got a...
Oh, yeah.
5 fish number.
I almost fell in with the fish. Hey, would have been your phone. Yeah.
As long as you're filming stuff. Marking a fish. Oh yeah, ice fishing style. I'm gonna get this hook set while I'm entering. Right now I'm entering a fish. Show you how it's done. You take it there to the gallery. So we've got a hero shot. We've got the measurement shot, and we've got the release video. So that goes through, and then hopefully we'll see a thumbs up. Just like these other ones there. They're at 40, they upgraded again. They're at 40.55, we're at 36.01. So we're gonna be like at 39 or so after this last fish here. What's this last fish? 20? Oh yeah, we're right there. Now we can go sharpshooting. Students back. Or whoever, Weave or somebody, they're all just gonna... all we can do is catch our fish, man. 2 hours at the first spot, paid off in a limit. And some supper. That's a walleye. Borderline supper, this one. They'll be up against those docks. Right under the boat, I bet you. Hayden? Steven. Oh, Steven. Yeah. We're gonna get to 50, and then wherever it shakes out then is where it shakes out. There. Yeah, you see the way it's going, eh? It's a big smallie. Turn into a walleye. Turn into a walleye. When it does those deep head shakes, but if it's a walleye, bro, We're upgrading. Come on, be a walleye. It's done fighting, bro. That's a big walleye, bro. That's a big walleye. Come on, buddy. That's a big walleye. It's a big walleye. Come on, that's a big walleye. That's a big walleye. That's a big walleye. Yes! Upgrade! Yes! I told you the rocks, bro. I said it's coming, but it's not coming to the dock here. 22 inches. That's an upgrade. Oh, oh, oh. Stay with me. 22. Alright. Lake of the Woods drop shot. These ones on this hump are full or something. They might be. There's fish in this one. Come on. Now we're talking. Yeah. Oh, it's a big. That's an upgrade, brother. Just fight it. Just fight it. That's a big one. That's a big one. We got it. That's an upgrade. That's an upgrade. Our biggest fish of the day. Okay, release 22 inches. You got one? You got one? Oh, I thought your rod went down, bro. No? Oh, it was a rock?
No.
He didn't have it? That's what I was looking at. I was looking at me, not setting the hook, bro. Yes! Oh! Did you tighten it again? Mike.
I cranked it down.
Oh my God, Mike. See how he came in a second time? I'm looking at you. You got one, bro.
No, but I went to set the hook and he dropped it right away.
Slo-Poke
And then I went to
Jig.
lift it, and that's when you're sitting there, you're going to set the hook, and then there was nothing.
Oh,
And then all of a sudden I went to lift it up,
then he tunked it.
and I feel this again.
Mike. Just go. Yes. Oh, there it is. It's okay. It's okay. You got it. You got this one. Don't rush it. Get under here. Let's work, Mike. Ooh, let's go. Fish, Mike. Fish. That's another fish. Yeah. They're heavy though. Holy crap. Well, it might be. Like in the photos? There's one. I broke. Oh, no, it's still there. I must have no leech. Yes. I saw that. Oh, I could see it, man. You see the pickup?
Yeah.
I saw the pickup. Oh, okay, let's wait for the reel up here. There. I waited that time. I should have just... I waited that time. Small. Wow, we don't know.
I thought mine was small.
We'll still net it. It's not big though, bro. No. Too big for dinner, too little for score. 819, so we're beyond. It's 219s. Come on, guys, get bigger. Okay. Here it comes. Oh, are you serious? That guy again, you tricked me. Oh my God. I thought we had a good one there. Yeah. There's one. walleye that time. Let's see what it is. Wasn't heavy enough. Oh, that's on. Oh, 19. How many 19s have I caught here? This one. There's one. But you never know, bro. It's heavy enough, anyway. This way. Come on, be an upgrade. It's a nice one, brother. I won't horse it. Okay. That might be an upgrade, bro. Yes. Get the plastic going again. I think that might be. We'll see.
What do we use for Mustang?
Anything over 21 1/4. So. This is just basically the same as see. Oh yeah, it's a little bit of an upgrade. 22. Okay. Go on back in. That was pretty good. There you go. A deeper water. Deeper water that way. Got it. Oh, don't be a pike. Mike, this is a big fish. This is a walleye. Way out there, end of the cast. Come on, bigger than 22. Oh, my heart's going. Oh my God. My heart was going again. Ay, how many times is that gonna happen?
You gotta take a picture of that.
Oh my God. Right there. Right under us. They bite. There's like two or three of them under there right now. Oh, come on, hit this jig. Action. 26 inches on the dot. We're back in. Talking about Two Rivers Boat Works, brought to you by oh no. Well, who knows? Gotta be 22. It's gotta be 22. Just trying to get the, oh, there we go. Full header. 347. One more spot. Be up here. Falcon. That's that.
I was actually legit sad at the end of that tournament because I thought we really had a shot at winning it. We had some missed opportunities over the 2 days there. Ask Mike. I was affiliating fish at the end there and just sad. But no small feat. 4th place is pretty good. Very tough field. It was a seesaw battle. Maybe not for the Sooners. They were at the top pretty much the whole way, but everyone else was going up and down catching fish. And every time we would catch an upgrade, we'd be stuck in that 4th and 5th place still. We were second a couple times and just couldn't get over that hump. But yeah, we had a great time. Hats off to James, Alex, everyone at the KWT. As far as top 10 or bust goes, or in this case, top 5, it was not a bust. We were in 4th place, so fantastic. Why am I sad? Don't be sad. It was good. Mike and I are back at it this weekend. The second stop on the KWT Tour at Lac de Bonnie. We've got high expectations. It's Mike's home water. I've done well in tournaments there over the years. Lots of red zones. Red zones are in play again, but we can use them in this format. So can't wait. Here we go. Time to tie some lines. Because if you aren't first place, you lost. We're all last. Everyone's last place if you weren't first.